Okay, so this is lesson 6.7B. I'm going to go through a few of the odd questions. I want to make sure that you guys understand how the answers were arrived at. Just to make sure that you guys understand what you're doing. If you don't understand, you need to contact me, watch more videos, do more internet searches. You've got to help yourselves, okay? You can't just walk up to the table and ask me. I mean, you can still ask me questions and everything, but you've got to make the effort to go out and get more help if you need it. Okay, so let's talk about number 9. Number 9 says to use the distributive property to write an equivalent expression. Check your answer. 4 times 4 plus 5. Okay? If you remember the one that I did on the video yesterday, I distributed this 4 times 4 plus 4 times 5. This is the answer, friends, right here. Do you need to check it? Yes, you do. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. My answer is 36. This is 4 times 9, which is also 36. So I checked it, and I arrived at this answer. Okay? This is what I'm expecting from your homework. That's number 9. Let's look at number 15. Number 15 is 4 times 8.1 plus 4 times 2.9. Use a distributive property to evaluate the expression. Okay. So basically, if you remember, can you see the pattern that's here? I've got 4 times 8.1 plus 4 times 2.9. I can put this expression back into a form that looks like that. Okay, I can pull out this 4, and my equivalent expression is going to be 8.1 plus 2.9 in the parentheses. This is the distributive property. So now I can do this addition. 8.1 and 2.9, 8, 9, 10, 11, gets me 11. This is 11 in the parentheses. I'm adding two numbers that have the same sign. I just add them up. There you go. The answer is 44. 44 is the answer to number 15, because I basically use the distributive property in reverse. Okay, I could have done 8.1 times 4 and then added it to 2.9 times 4. But they want me to use the distributive property because I know these two numbers added up give me an even round number without a decimal. Okay, which is a whole lot easier to multiply than if it had a decimal. Okay, and that's the whole reason behind using the distributive property. Get this written down. And another one, let's do number 19. 3 times 10.4. If you wrote 10.4 times 3, if you wrote 31.2, your answer is incorrect. Okay? You did not use the distributive property like you were supposed to. So you need to go back and fix your assignment before you submit it, okay? What they want is this number split into two numbers, okay? 10.4 is 10 plus 0.4. And I'm going to distribute the 3 out here and to the 0.4. 3 times 10 plus 3 times 0.4. This gets me 30. And this gets me 1.2. And when I add numbers that have a decimal, I have to line up the decimals. Where's the decimal after the 30 or in the 30? It's right here. Invisible math says that there's a decimal point at the end of every whole number, okay? 30.0 plus 1.2 is 31.2. But Miss Miller, I got the same answer as you got up here. That's right, and you can check your work that way. However, you could not submit it to me without doing this and expect to get full credit for it, okay? You've got to do all of the steps using the distributive property or you're not going to get full credit, okay? The assignment that goes with this video is going to be evens, and they're going to be for a grade. You must show all your work. You must be neat, friends, because we're going to scan or take pictures and send through the interwebs, and then I'm going to either grade it on my phone or computer or print it, and it needs to be clear. There doesn't need to be any work that's not neat submitted, okay? We've got to step up our game. You guys are 7th graders. You're about ready to be the upperclassmen of the middle school, okay? You need to step up your game and show me your best work. If you've got any questions, please give me a call or text. I'll try to get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks.